Okay, so the KA then, it's finished but not finished, which I'll explain in a second. We are now about to go off-roading, but we've been off-roading already because we forgot to record this bit before going. So where did it all start? I bought this many years ago. It's a 1994 DisKAvery 1 200 shape 3.9 V8 manual. Owned it for 8 years. Off-roaded it quite a bit, did lots of mods, lifts, big wheels, etc. And then went off-roading, and Chris, the owner and creator of RPi Engineering, he had a go as well, sat beside him, all was well. I got out to film him, and he did the inverted manoeuvre. First gear, feet off the pedals. Oh, fuck God! Which in actual fact probably did me a favour, because the one thing that was really getting bad on the DisKAvery was the body. It was rotting away. I'd previously seen a picture and shown it to Chris of a Ford KA body shell on a Daihatsu 4-track diesel chassis, which a gentleman called Craig Pegg had built. Actually in contact with him, because he obviously got tagged in one of the build videos of this that we'd done, and I quite liked the look of it. Chris had purchased another DisKAvery to make good my DisKAvery after rolling it. However, the body was, it was a lot of work, and we had this sat here, and Chris said, well, why don't you build a KA monster truck? Stupidly, correctly, I'm not quite sure which, I said yes, and 4.5 years later, here we are. Why so long? Lots of things get in the way of building cars at the weekends. One of which is building a 3-phase generator. So obviously I've always tried to build it knowing I wanted it to go on the road, which meant I couldn't just throw it together. I'm now talking to DVLA about road registering it. Fingers crossed we managed to pull that one through. Trying to avoid a kit car test, so trying to do a body swap at the moment, but we'll have to see where we go on that. My umbrella's about to blow off. Yeah, we've got a few shots of it off-roading now coming up. First of all, thank you to everybody that helped. Hopefully I won't forget anyone. Firstly, Chris for the rollover that created the build, and then obviously workshop facilities and everything that RPi have put into this. Steve in the workshop, holding the umbrella over Steve in the office. Cheers mate, because you put in a lot of hours in the early days as well on this and throughout. A few outside of work friends as well. George, Kelvin, you've been here and helped out on fabrication and wiring and things like that. Holly, he obviously built the engine up. So we transplanted the 3.9 for a 4.6. No, a 4.6 for the 3.9, I don't know, it's a 4.6 now. Yeah, who else? Everybody else really that's followed and kind of pushed the build along. Yeah, it's come on well. So did amazingly well off-road. The excuses that I was trying to preempt it failing will come up in a second. Here we go. Here we go then. Shall I start with the excuses now?
No, save those for later.
4.5 years of building this car. Every year I've said it's going to Bircham Newton, EAORS this year, and at the beginning of this year they announced it's the last one. So the car isn't finished, but it's finished enough to get here.
It has got its little feet in the dirt.
Yes. Got no idea if the radiator is going to be long enough to, big enough to actually keep it cool. Let's see what happens.
You're going straight for it. Oh, there we go.
We've done a hill!
It works!
bumpy. Is the tractor stuck? Oh no, there's a car, there's a big hole. I didn't see the look of that.
I don't know if we can see that on camera, but there is.
There is actually a car in that hole. Let me come over this way a bit. Can you get it?
Yeah, there we go.
Freelander.
It is.
Yes.
Well, at least they tried, I suppose.
Yeah, too right. Nice things, the diff locks. Shame we don't have any.
Well, you have, it's just in the middle.
Yeah. There's a bit of a bump there. Articulation on that. Whoop. See if we get stuck here then.
That'd be right. You didn't want to do that. There she goes.
There she goes.
Someone running with a big firm finger.
Holy overtime. Let's
Please
see what
don't.
happens. I said I was going to take it easy this time round. It's the first trip.
Nice one.
Faster! Third gear. Nearly swallowed 33-inch tyres. There's a hole over there that swallowed another Land Rover.
There's a few of them.
Okay, we'll be avoiding this bit then. Where do we go here then? Don't think we're going to make it up this hill, but we'll give it a go.
You've not managed to get it stuck yet, so. I mean, that's an angle.
That is definitely an angle. We'll run up, I think. Try third.
Brace, brace.
Yeah, third is the answer. Straight. Thank you very much. Thank you.
That's a lovely one. You weren't expecting that, was he?
No.
Well, I put a bit in there and all. Between the lockers. Yeah. giving birth to a Land Rover. This is how they're born. Go. It's a boy. Never go over them too quick. So one or two wheels off in the air. You just had your front wheels on the ground, I think.
God.